Hello and welcome to the A/B Testing Lab. This lesson teaches you how to scientifically optimize email campaigns. We'll walk through designing tests, running them properly, and interpreting results. Start with the basics. A/B testing means sending version A and version B of an email to random subsets of your audience. Only test one variable at a time, subject line, call to action, or image, so you know exactly what causes any difference in performance. For example, compare two subject lines by sending each to 20% of your list, then sending the winning one to the rest. Always define your hypothesis. For instance, adding the recipient's name in the subject will boost open rates by 10%. Use a large enough sample so your results aren't due to chance. Adding urgency like ends tonight in the subject line will increase open rates. If you test multiple changes at once, you won't know which one drove the result. Decide your success metric accordingly. Open rate for subject line tests, click-through rate, CTR, for content and layout tests, or conversion and purchase rate for final calls to action. For example, if you compare two CTAs, buy now versus shop today, track clicks on that button. Common variables include subject lines, pre-header text, from name, body content, images, CTAs, send time, and day. Remember, test only one element at a time to isolate its impact. Determine your sample size. Generally, start with at least 10 to 20% of your list for each version. If your list is small, focus on high-impact elements or run more sends. Allow sufficient time for open and click actions, typically 24 to 72 hours post-send. Do not end the test early. Wait for statistical significance. Let the test run long enough to accumulate data. A few opens or clicks in the first hour aren't enough. Wait at least 24 to 48 hours, sometimes a week for time-sensitive content, before concluding. Check for statistical significance before declaring a winner. Klaviyo categorizes results. A winner is one with high confidence, greater than or equal to 90% win probability. If a test is not significant, treat it as inconclusive. For example, if version A gets 52 clicks and version B gets 50, that difference is likely random. Use online sample size calculators or built-in ESP tools to estimate how many recipients you need for significance given your list size and expected conversion rate. A/B testing is a statistical experiment. The larger the sample size, the more accurate the results. A too small sample can produce false positives. As a rule, reserve 10 to 25% of your list for version A and another 10 to 25% for version B, leaving the rest as a holdout to receive the winning variant. For example, send version A to 20%, and version B to 20%, and once one wins, send it to the remaining 60%. Always randomize recipients to each version to eliminate bias. Don't sort by last name or location. Track results in a dashboard or log, including test parameters, results, and the winner. Share insights for future sends. Consider holdout groups, sending the winner to a control segment, and multivariate testing for advanced scenarios. Be cautious with multivariate tests, they require larger samples. Key takeaways: test one thing at a time, use a big sample, wait for significance, then act on data. Encourage a culture of experimentation.